Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few moments to share with you a freshly taken in trade, a 2014 Crownline 2100 SS. What a fantastic boat for wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, a family boat, go to the island. If you look at this boat, it's in excellent shape for the year. It also comes with a matching Crownline painted trailer. And you can see by the shape this boat's in, it's in wonderful, beautiful shape. As we walk back here to the back, it comes with a 4.3 liter Mercury engine, as well as the Mercury Alpha 1 outdrive. And you can see this 5-blade prop, so you can really have some fun when you're playing with your water toys. Comes with a nice long boarding ladder here. So I'm going to step aboard and just show you and point out a few things. Come on aboard. As I'd mentioned, this boat comes equipped with the Mercury 4.0 engine here, and as you can see, it is super clean. How nice is that? Here is your awesome sun lounge pad, so you can sit back when you're at the island, you can relax, lay out, get the sun that you're looking for. It has a nice walk-through transom area, so as you're coming up your boarding ladder out of the water, you can just walk right through here and step down. Now, notice here the Bimini top. It's got a nice Bimini top shading the whole cockpit area, as well as the wakeboard tower. That was an option for these boats that year, so this makes this boat even more awesome. Equipped with your holders here for your wakeboards and your skis and all your toys. It also down here in the floor has your storage compartment, and down there we do have a full boat cover, tonneau cover, and boat cover, so you can completely cover the boat up, and of course it's matching red just like the Bimini top. As you walk forward here on the port side, you've got some storage area. You've got a glove box, you have a little bit of storage area here, you can throw some stuff in. Cup holders located throughout the boat. Here on the starboard side, in the captain's chair, you have your instruments here that read everything on your boat. Comes equipped with a great stereo, great sound in stereo. We just had it on. We had to turn it off for the video, but it sounds really good. Now this boat only has 152 hours on it. So as I mentioned earlier, with low hours, this is a really great, accessibly priced boat. As you come forward here in the bow, you got plenty of area here to stretch out and relax, get some sun, go along for the ride. You got your windshield here, so you can close off from the elements or the wind if you like. So folks, this is a really great boat. Just received it, used in freshwater, very accessibly priced. Come see me. Again, my name is Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and you can reach me at 850-596-8108. I look forward to seeing you.